Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can withdraw or transfer money from MetaTrader 5 to your Binance account. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to stop or close all of your positions on MetaTrader 5 to ensure that we can withdraw on our MetaTrader and our Binance account. From there, of course, we need to navigate through our broker's account, which is going to be Binance. So inside Binance right here, click on your wallet, and basically you then want to click on the overview section. Now inside this page, we then have the ability to click on the withdraw button. So just click on it. You will have to select your withdraw method. So in my case, I'm going to withdraw my USDT right here. Basically, you then have to enter your email address and then you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.